Guys, welcome back to today's video. So today's tutorial is going to be a quick one. We will be making a turban headband. So if it's something you would love to learn, just keep on watching. So these are all the materials we'll be using for this tutorial. You can actually use any type of fabric for this turban headband, but I will recommend a stretchy fabric or a satin material like the one I'm using here. This is the satin material that I'm using for mine. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So for the width of this turban, we have 15 inches. We have 15 inches by 7 inches for the height, 15 inches for the width and 7 inches for the height. And I have two pieces of this, 15 inches for the width and 7 inches for the height, and we have two pieces of that. And then for this other one, we have 12 inches. We have 12 inches for the height. We have 12 inches for the height by 2.5 inches as the width. And then I have my elastic band here of 6 inches. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to go ahead and stitch all of these pieces. So what you are going to do is to fold this like this. You fold it like this, and then you run a stitch on all of these pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch all of these pieces. When stitching, make sure that you are folding it right side to right side this way. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that now. I've already gone ahead to stitch all of them. What we are going to do now is to turn it over to the right side to iron it out. So you can actually use your hand to turn over it to the right side for the big one. But if that is difficult for you, you can either use your turner, your scissor, anything you can use to take it out to the right side. You can just go ahead and do that. So for me, I'm using my hand to turn the big one to the right side. For the small one, I will use this stick here to just bring it out or turn it out to the right side. So after turning everything out to the right side, I'll go ahead and iron all of them. So make sure to iron all of them out. So when ironing, make sure the seam is at the center. Okay, when ironing, make sure the seam is at the center. So I'll just go ahead and do that and show you guys. So I've already gone ahead to iron all of them out. What we are going to do right now is to insert our elastic into this small piece here. Pick your safety pin and go ahead and insert your elastic. So if at this point you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, I beg you in the name of God, hit on the subscribe button, like this video, drop comments. If you don't understand anything or you have any question you would love to ask me, go ahead and do that. Drop your comments, your concerns on the comment section, and I'll make sure to reply to all of them. So after inserting the elastic, I'll go ahead and stitch it down. So after stitching the elastic down, we are going to take the bigger one this way. Make sure the seam is facing up and fold it into two this way, and we are going to place our elastic. I'm going to place our elastic on it and then fold the both edges on the elastic. Fold the both edges like this on the elastic. Just watch what I am doing. So after folding the both edges on the elastic like this, I'll head over to my machine and sew it down. So go ahead and sew it down this way. I'll do that and then come and show you guys. So I've gone ahead to do that. What we are going to do now is to incorporate this other piece into this other one, like so, and then place them together like the way you did to the other piece, and then bring the elastic and place on it. Fold the both edges like the way you did to the other piece. Fold the both edges on it this way. Then I'll go ahead and sew it down. So I'm already gonna to do that. I'll cut off all excesses so that it will lay flat when we tuck in the rough edges. So go ahead and cut out all excesses like so. So we'll just flip this. After cutting all excesses, I'll just flip it in this way. You see how it's looking nice and flat? I'll do the same thing to the other end. Flip it over this way. Use your hand to arrange it. It's looking flat and nice. So this is the outcome of our tutorial. It's a quick one and it's very simple to make. Make sure to like, share and comment before you go. Thank you and see you in my next